I had to get my dog to go to the bathroom. This just looks really choppy again. That's good to know that you can do that. This looks a bit choppy too. This is as I suspected. That was a nice little pop on GNS. So that's $500. That's a good start. I'm not gonna buy it up here though. But GNS may be the one because GDC was getting too much tug of war. We need a stock where bulls can just take it. It looks like we can take it here. Oh, we just took it there. So we're getting pretty decent action on GNS here. That's $700. It's not bad. Now the question is, can I keep the 700? Because it's not hard making 700. It's been hard to keep it lately. Yeah, I'm afraid GDC is off the table. I have GNS written down as one of my best stocks this year. I have a naughty list and I have a good list. And this is on the good list. Just help me. You can change the TOS settings again and switch the software back to Thinkorswim. Okay. Oh gosh, what the? Yeah, slow market. In a slow market, that will happen. I might just take what I got right here. Call it a freaking Monday. Go to Starbucks. Have a member class. Be done. I got bought up pretty nicely though. It was a pretty over-exaggerated drop. Not gonna lie. I bought right into a big seller. Nice. Yeah. I'm not gonna get too aggressive here. Let me size down actually. It's has now officially started its choppy little. It's fighting here. We might come back up, but these last 4 days of trading, it's just been disappointment after disappointment. I sold out at 98.5, which I think was a good call. Wow, VFS. What's the deal with VFS? No, I guess when the ball starts rolling, don't know how high these things can go. They can go high. We got 20 likes already, guys. That's a good job. That's a good job. It's not quite to the 40 like goal, but it's what we got today. We'd be grateful for that. Same with the 650. Scares me. This big flush here is like that. That's going to take quite a few players out of the game here. That's what that's going to do. Let's see if we get some like follow through here. It's hitting our sellers. Are we going to see bulls come in here? We're not seeing anything. There, oh, there it is. This is getting hard. Problem with this is, you know, you could say, oh, I will hold for this, but then you're like, okay, when's the next mega flush going to happen? In this case, it didn't happen. This is definitely a decent stock here. I bought right into a big seller. I anticipated this move, but I'm also still in slow market mode. See if we get an extended move up to 207. Big seller. See if we can crack them. Yeah, we cracked them. HE. I feel like we were trading that the other day too. What's the volume like on it? Wasn't on the high day scanner. HE 109 million share float. I'm gonna hold tight on that one for now. Excuse me. I guess I'm not supposed to be burping in the mic anymore. That was a better move than I thought. So I guess lesson learned. Sometimes you just gotta punch it and hold it. But this is the problem with patterns: is you try to teach people patterns, but it's like, well, it's so hard because even a good patterns, you gotta watch it, you gotta nurture it. It's like people asking what plants are good to grow and easy to grow. Well, just because they're easy to grow doesn't mean, you know, they're not. You can look the other way. It doesn't mean you don't have to water them while they're growing or fertilize them. So there is no perfect pattern. I can tell you right now, this pattern looks like it's coming down. How do I know that? Top and tail. Right here. Come on, any other day this would rip already. I sold out too soon probably, but I sold out way too soon. I was worried that we're going to get a flush here. This is still a risk at for a flush. Ah. Just like that. Ah. What am I doing? See, chasing it is what I'm doing. I should have held earlier. So we have the ability here to get the 220. Okay, there's the break through the key level there. The apex break there. That was a nice move. Not gonna lie, that was a nice move. Man, it's been a while since I've had $1,000 of profit. Let's be honest. Last time I had $1,000 of profit, I lost it all and lost $5 grand. I'm gonna lower size, big. I should have trusted this pattern. I'm still reeling from this flush here that really put a dent. 195 to 209. Yeah. GDC. Oh, just what I thought. Selling off. Careful here, guys. Know what, Dennis? I don't know it for sure. Let's get that straight for every pattern. I don't know for sure, but when I'm seeing the price break the apex point and it's just not going up, it's just a lot of red. It's just sort of stalling out. So like because when it gets to the apex point, it's got to go. Otherwise it's going to be a lot of selling. The apex point was this pivot up here. So this comes back to pivot management, Dennis. And I don't know if you were here to watch the My Favorite Patterns discussion class and all the other discussion classes, but we talk about these pivot levels quite a bit. So if you haven't watched it, I really encourage, honestly, everybody to watch it. But yeah, nothing. I can't predict for sure what's going to happen. It's when I say that, I say it with confidence, and you guys got to remember that I'm saying that without 100% accuracy. So my bias was saying it's coming down. I've been wrong many times. I'm a 50-50 trader. Half my trades are winning, half are losing. So Dennis, the longer you trade, the longer you put in the screen time, you're going to start to be able to be like, yeah, this thing's coming down. You don't know for sure. There's no way, and you will be wrong. But let's start to work on that ability to be like, let's put two and two together. Let's form an opinion. Start forming your own opinions and being okay if it's wrong. But saying, oh well, it looked like it was coming down, but against all odds, it didn't. I'm not so sure about this pattern here. This looks like it's now a kind of a weak pattern here with this big kind of extended sell-off. That this is a little different pullback here. This is more of a sell-off here. So I'm worried it's going to come lower based on just the fact that we're lighter volume and we're seeing red on the tape, pretty consistent. But technically we have hit support here off the ascending support line. Will we curl off this level? It's tough to say. I should take a stab, but most of these ones have been flushing on me lately. We have good green on the tape, so I'm going to try to hold, but I'm a little fearful. I don't know. I dumped out. It just seemed like we just didn't have enough volume here to break through that cellar. Not enough moving on the time and sales. It's a little risky pattern, but not a bad pattern per se. I made $100. I made a penny. It's embarrassing, but I just want to be green, man. I just want to be green. Back to the basics. You know, I've been getting too greedy. I was on a hot streak, man. Like all the way from the end of March, like April to now. I've been on like a. This looks like this might pop here. Maybe. Hidden sellers soaking shares here. Oh, he got cut. He got. Okay, so now the apex point is this up here at 209. If I buy it at 207, I'm really not getting a good risk to reward. But we could get a pop here. There's 209. Pop through 209 most likely. Let's see. Right into a big seller. See, that's what happens when you buy high. I mean, your risk reward is totally. But that pattern ended up working. That was good. I haven't been trusting it, Dennis, because the market has been slower and I am on a recovery program. I shouldn't have bought that. We should have broke through him. I probably could have held. It's going to grind probably. I don't know. I made a little money on it. I'm not going to lie. Sort of grinding here. Good morning, Zhao. There it is. We might get a rip to 220. It's getting choppy, though. We're not seeing quick moves yet. I'm worried of a flush. Can't buy it up here. Wow, GNS. Bought right into the big seller. That's wow. We came right back to the seller. High day break, maybe. It's a cheaper stock, man. It's the unfortunate thing. 220 break is not out of the picture. No, 20. Wow, I didn't really get that great of a fill on that pop. It's a nice push though. This is some cleaner action that we've been seeing the last few days that I can be happy about. So now will we get a breakout here? It's extended. It's extended. We're getting selling pressure. Spot high. I'm gonna wait for a pulley back. Lost $90 on the last trade. Looks like the sellers have some control here, so I'm going to give them some time to sell. See, hold for the break at 225. We don't break through 225, and we're like, are you kidding me? Yeah, that's not behaving very well. This one is holding. This is nice. Breakthrough 225. Wow. It did not hold. It went to 228 for a second. I don't think I got very good fills at all. I should have just sold 20. I should have sold. I did not get good fills. I should have just had 4,500 to dump. Break at 228, possible breakout. Now that bulls are showing we're holding. Shaky. There we go. 228 break, rip. Uh-oh. Gotta dump it there. I thought we'd get the 228 break. That's kind of a double top now. We got to be careful. I almost bought that. Bought high, 9,000 shares. Unfortunately, is probably a mistake. Got to cut it. $200 loss. Getting hard to trust it up here. Kidding me? The sellers are too strong up here. Ah, man, dude. Come on, man. It looks like it's going to break 228. You think it's, it's just ready to go. And here it goes. Here it goes. No doubt it goes. No. Wow, a little bit of resistance there at 28, but pop. And flush. If I would have held long enough, I would have got out of it. So the upward movement's slowing down. It's getting choppier. So it's unfortunate. Let's check out the dead Discord. So we'll wait for a pullback here. Fortunately, things got a little choppy here. This candle here, right here, would have been nice to see accelerate. Take another $100 loss in that dip. That was not a smart dip. It's very well may grind back up. Let's go back to the daily chart and figure out where we could be going. 268 is a maybe. 240 seems more likely. Um, 5-minute kind of sell off here. Bear flag. Could be a bull trap. It's fighting too long. Gonna dump it there for a penny, $120 loss. Added too big, so 1200. I think it's gonna come down. Oh man. Sometimes those trades can be really good, but apparently not today. So now we need to take serious consideration in just walking. I don't know. Buyers are stepping up here, but man, sellers are not moving at all. Let's stay out of that. It's starting to bleed here a bit, so we got to take serious consideration. Just saying enough is enough. There's a big bid. Why can't the bid just come in sooner? You know? Oh, I bought right into this seller. Wow. Can't can't even give us a residual pop. The pattern ended up working too. That's the frustrating part. Oh my goodness. It's so choppy. But see, what profit am I at? 170? Oh my goodness. Might have to just take that. It's starting to do what these stocks have been doing notoriously, which is sell off the rest of the day. I don't trust it. Not with how much hidden selling we've had going on here. Lighter volume. We'll stay out of it for now. Discipline, discipline. I think it's coming down here just based off of the fact that we're just not getting through any of these levels here. I feel this is not a good trade. Oh my gosh. Okay. That was bad. Traded way too much size. Okay, well, 780, freaking A, buddy. That sucks. This is coming down. Green at least, but half my profits gone. Discipline rules state to probably shut down. All down is 171. Yeah. Sellers got this one for now. Sellers are smacking this baby. Yeah, I'm not so sure, man. It's grinding, but I think it's gonna get slammed. I was hoping maybe we could catch one bounce. Is it? There is range on it. There's buying that holds. I have a hard time believing this is gonna just sell off hard. But I take that back. I do believe it can. There's a big seller there. Yeah, this might be the spot. This could be a little bull trap here. It's either got to go or get out of the way. A little bit of profit, my goodness. What's the story over here? Low view app. That's the story. I just feel like sellers have done the whole sell off all day thing for a while now, and it's like eventually that is not going to work anymore. Is today the day that they get pinched? I think this is the kind of stock that could do it. Shoot. It's fighting. Wow, I went to break even. Okay, I gotta shut down. I gotta shut down, guys. I'm reeling. I've done it again, so I have to shut down again. Oh, over trading the on the backside. Oh man, thought we had a nice pop there, and I added to it. Should have just taken it. Man, that hurts. So, anyways, I gotta shut down there, guys. Break even day, $50. Oh my gosh, man, that hurts. I did it to myself. I thought maybe today we would get a little bit of a different rhythm, but no, we did not.
You know, they do that sometimes. I don't know why it happens, but but I looked away because one of the other ones were in proximity for a trade. So looked back. I think there might have been an entry that I could have gotten. I'll have to rewatch the recording though. That or sometimes I do my math wrong and I'm off by like whatever it might be. That also happened a couple times in the past. HT, FFIE, buyout, buyout, acquisition, or merger. Well, one out of the three. FFIE, not much here. Big Steve is reminding us to hit that thumbs up, guys. So be sure if you're watching on YouTube to hit that thumbs up. We still have over 400 wonderful people tuning into the stream today. Remember our disclaimer as well, guys. Remember that day trading, like any other business here in the States, is risky. Best to approach in a low risk way. And you can do that by utilizing a simulator, or you can use risk money. The simulators are pretty good. It's what I used in the very beginning. They allow you to trade the market with artificial currency, aka paper trading, right? That way you can gain experience, build confidence, you know, And then as you prove yourself, you can transition over to a live account or a bigger account, let's say. Like a live account that's a big account. If you are not interested in using the simulator, you can always look into risk money, right? Risk money is a small amount of money that you're going to trade with, that if you lose it, it does not affect your life. It's not going to affect that you can't pay your mortgage or something like that. Hold up. VFS. VFS. Oh, it's just gonna go all the way. Oh my gosh. Hmm. Mm-mm-mm. It's kind of high. Are we failing? That should have been the low there, though, for sure. Hopefully. It's failing again. We're not seeing any continuation today. I missed the breakout, and the dip is just dipping to the depths. To the depths, to the depths, to the depths. Another big topping wick. There's a crazy move up, though. From 81 to 88, basically. Wow. And that's why I'm so confidently buying that type of pullback, is because if we go to 87, okay, we drop to 84, whatever. Can we get back to 87? Even if it takes like a minute. But instead, we're back at 80. So anytime I'm buying 84, I'm just going to lose $4 a share, right? So I got to keep it tight, as tight as possible. The follow through is in the dumps. I could come back later, power hour, but I don't know. We'll see. There's usually something though. Most of the times, like most of the times, there's usually something. Well, I'll have to sit here and wait. It could be 11 o'clock. It could be 12, 1. I mean, it could be at any time. So for those people going the distance, it's a matter of just being diligent, being patient. I don't know if I'll be here the entire time. I probably will, come back sporadically. Is how I usually do it. Or unless there's like a huge call out in the Discord, like people just raving at something, going crazy. So I'll check back in periodically, and maybe like every 30 minutes or something. If I see something, I see something. If not, then okay. If not, tomorrow. Although this would be our third red day, which is kind of crazy. Whenever I have a lot of red days back to back, it tells me that the next green streak, the next green stretch slash streak will be longer. There has to be a balance of things, right? It's a very positive way of looking at it. Don Juan, we had VFS, we had GDC pre-market, HE in the first 5 minutes of the open. Yeah, let's say first 10 minutes, and then after that, we've been seeing a lot of weakness. Or as the Fed would say, Softness. It's looking kind of soft. Man, what a candle, man. Sometimes one candlestick like that can make the day. Going up. Especially with like if especially if you have like 500 shares. It's inching up again, but can we take it serious here? So we got a high point of 83.55 on this candle. 3 big topping wicks every time it gives a push. It just doesn't look good. At this point, it's like we needed to get over high of day and then consolidate. Every time it pushes up, right back down. No, GNS, I was looking for quick trades. It's more so, being in holding longer. And the entry that I had at 12 for the pullback was actually good. But there's still a lot of red hitting the tape, so I thought we were going to see sub 10. It ended up holding right at 11 and crawling back to 30. So I was being too aggressive to get the low. But that's alright. The other stock, you know, you gotta just, whatever it is that you do, you have to be okay with. Whether you're holding it a little long or you're being quick with the trades. Time 10:28 a.m. I think I'll probably go another like 30 minutes to 11, maybe like 11:15, and then I'll shut it down. Whilst I could shut it down here, we can keep an eye out just to see if anything else comes. If not, then we get out of here. Some of you guys will be leaving at 10:30. If you are, take care. Stay safe, stay green. BNOX pushed up, right back down. HE, not much. If VFS can do like a slow move here, just steadily green candles, and it gets over 87, it could be good. Could give opportunities if we can get over those highs once again. Maybe $100 is something that's possible. MC MCOM. And we're gonna hold this time. Wow. Okay, okay. Ay, ay. Trying to give it a chance for that push over the highs, but struggling here. It's holding up though. It's holding up. It's trying. Do not Titanic. Got a really high fill there despite the spreads being tight, which is weird. That was weird. I should have gotten filled low 85s. I did not see this ass price, but that's okay. Spreads are brutal though. Come on, talk to us nicely here. It might need another pullback. Let me gear up myself here for this battle. It is time. I'm gonna go hard on this thing, man. If this can go. Talk the relentless trader nicely here today. See, that's not good enough. We need more. I think we're gonna see $100 today. I think it's possible. Ooh, man, the spreads are just gonna open up like that on me, man. Well, we're gearing up for battle, so there's no complaining. Good sized buyers. Son of a gun with these spreads, man. Now I can't hold this trade like I should be able to. I'm gonna start buying the bids. Yo, they better stop messing with me today. Faster, do not need the headache. Talk to me nicely here. Talk to me nicely, VSF. BFS, talk to me here today. I'm actually kind of excited to trade this one if it goes. Fair fill. Tight stop. Come on. Come on, yeah. Come on. No, not yet. Wow. Okay, this has to go here. Do not fake out. Freaking monstrous, horrendous fills. And where are those bulls, KB? I saw like 9,000 share buyers.